can we add a picture after posting on Instagram? So if you want to add a picture after posting on Instagram, and then let's see if it's possible or not. So first you need to open up your Instagram application, make sure that you have a stable internet connection. After that, you just need simply go with the plus option, which will be in the top left. Go with post, select a picture, go with next, which will be in the top, and then go with next again, which will be on the bottom. And here go and add a caption, audio and everything. And once you've done, you need to go with share. Now, after sharing, you need to go with your profile, which will be on the bottom. From your profile, you need to just simply go and refresh your page. After refreshing, you'll find your recently posted pictures right here. So once you have that posted picture, you need to go with the three dots, which will be in the top right, and let's see what we can do. Just simply go with edit. And once you go with edit, as you can see that you will have an option to add collaborators or add paid partnership label, add your audio, or add your location, everything. You can also enter the description, write a caption. You can change each and everything right here. You can also add a location as well. But if you want to add a picture, then it's not possible. But if you have to remove a picture, then you can just simply go with the cross icon, which will be on the top. Once you tap on the cross, tap on delete and tap on the tick, which will be on the top. And as you can see that the picture has been deleted, but you won't be able to add a picture. That's it. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.